Hopefully everything is working. Hello my two viewers. Welcome to the coding stream. I apologize for not posting for a whole week. My two viewers, very upset. So today we will be doing, hold on, I'm making coffee right now. Today we'll be doing a coding stream. We will be using the Unity engine to code up a Paws for Paws game. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm making powdered coffee. It's not that strong, but hopefully it'll be strong enough. I don't want to pick something too strong, you know. So how you guys like my new setup? Gaming chair. Hello, welcome. Hopefully some of my game creation club mates are in the chat and the viewing. And yeah, today we'll be doing a Paws for Paws coding stream. It's a non-profit that helps owners and animals alike, and we are doing an event. We'll host it at our school. Our idea for a booth, because student council invited us to make a booth for the event, our idea is to make an arcade machine for a game booth. Today we will 1. Come up with an idea, 2. Start coding, and 3. Plan out some milestones for tomorrow's stream, and as well as the 3rd stream. Hopefully we'll complete it in 3 streams only, because I kind of promised student council that I'll have a demonstration done by Monday. So yeah, game creation club, hi. Hopefully you guys are in the comments. I gotta get the chat on my phone, so let me get that right now. Yeah, the VTuber avatar might look kind of weird because I kind of locked the hips at one point, and I have auto blink on because apparently my eyes are so bad. It always closes. Always. So with that out of the way, we'll start coding. We are coding time. Okay, this is quite unfortunate. I had my mic off for the entire stream. Oh my goodness. Sucks. So, it looks like we will be needing to restarting. Not restarting, but really just repeating what I said. I had a script. So I delete the script as you saw though, so I have to re-say what I did. So hi, yes, welcome back my 2 subscribers, and Game Creation Club. If you guys are here, you're not. We will be doing a game arcade booth for the Paws for Paws event in February. Hopefully we do it in time, but basically context is student council in my school invited us to help with making booths for the event. And our idea as the Game Creation Club is to make an arcade game booth. And here is the Jamboard of ideas. I did this last year for my class. We made a Jamboard before we made any games. So mister, if you're watching, hi. I'm using your idea. And so let me repeat what I said. So we will need to have a cardboard arcade body as well. We'll have either a coin slot, and we'll also have a few buttons for the gamers to play on, because a whole keyboard is too confusing, and we need to give them a quality of life thing if they want to play. I also have my coffee here that I barely touched. So let me take a sip. Hopefully this coffee isn't too strong. It's powdered coffee. But yeah, 2 week I won't be able to last 2 hours streaming, because introverts need energy to socialize. Tasty. I have a mug and it kind of looks cool. It's the TNT Minecraft mug. Here it is. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I have this exact mug. It's so cool. My goodness, it's $15. I stole this. Wait, no, I didn't. I got this for a steal. It's I think $12 I got this for. Like, wow. Stealing is bad. I did not steal this, I promise. President is a law-abiding citizen, I promise. So yeah, for the game cardboard arcade body, we're going for this aesthetic. We'll have a big computer screen. Hopefully, we'll get the biggest Chromebook we can find, and we'll slap it right in here with a few buttons, like probably a joystick and a button. Yeah. For the game concept, we will spread awareness by having the player throw food at their pets or animals in general, and the good food gives points, the bad food deducts points. And every time an animal gets hit, we'll have them fade into green or fade into red, signaling that they disliked it and probably got sick, or worse, died. And green means they enjoyed it. Feed them that good stuff. And that is the game concept and other goals. So here's the main objective. Here is a subtask, or here's a task, and these are their subtasks. Pretty small, but we're probably gonna add some more goals along the way. Next frame. So here is a doozy. We'll have to here's like the actual milestones. Like here's like brainstorming and stuff. Here's the milestones. We'll spend most of our days here, including the in the Unity editor, because we'll be there next stream. and code. So we'll have to have the cardboard built, get a big screen Chromebook like I said. We'll probably have a physical scoreboard as well, a whiteboard, and we'll give plushies to the high scorers, or probably give them a plushie every time they beat my high score, which I'm probably gonna make up so they don't get those plushies easily, because I am bad at playing games. I make them, doesn't mean I'm good at them. So yeah, let's give this a cool design. Yeah, a wind turbine design, that's cool. We'll also give them a minimal arcade buttons, and we'll also get a big screen Chromebook. This is repeated. Oh no. Yeah. So here's a fail-safe. So what if it rains? Refund. Oh yeah, tent as well. Tent. We'll probably have a tent. Here's the game concept. It has a lot of stuff because we need to. We'll do this. We'll code next stream or this stream hopefully. And yeah, player throws food. Good food, give points. Bad food, no points or minus points. And we will repurpose the Unity course, Unit 2 game, and it's a course my club should be familiar with. I assigned it at the very beginning of the club, and they should be at around Unit 4 if they worked somewhat diligently, probably like 2 hours a week since the moment I announced that they should be doing the Unit Junior Certification course, Unit 2, or the whole course in general, not just Unit 2. They should be at Unit 4 now. And we'll be repurposing this game. Hopefully I'm allowed to. I mean, I technically made it, but they kind of own the rights too, because I just copy-pasted what they did. We'll also need to get assets for 5 animals or more, and a few foods they cannot or unfit to eat. So dogs, they kind of get sick, or I think die if they eat chocolate. And parrots, they cannot eat cookies because cocoa is bad for them. We'll also have to make it completable in 3 minutes. And assets, let's delete that because we can't have too many. We can't have the same task. So yeah, this is the game stuff. We will start coding now. Hopefully we will have some people chatting. Oh, hi. Hi. FOIFYI. That is a cipher I need to decipher. What might that mean? Well, I'm in the VC if you guys club members. I'm also in the VC if you guys like. I have an overlay on, so you guys will like appear on the top left if you guys speak. And yeah, join me in the stream there if you'd like, or in the chat, which I'm not good with slang, so VOIFYI, that is quite a cipher. I am not cultured. Oh, someone joined. Ooh, hello there. So we'll now do the Unity Hub. We'll open up the Unity Hub. Hopefully I don't have to show Discord to troubleshoot because I kind of respect my club members' privacy. I mean, they kind of did do the media release form, so should be safe. But just in case, I kind of don't want to, you know, show their information if no need. I mean, this is the club right here, the comms. Yeah, they're cool people. My club is awesome. I kind of kickstarted my channel because of them. They're cool. They're cool like that. Like, my goodness, I'm bad at presenting. I want to make videos instead, so I can like cut out the bad takes. and give them the prime game dissection that they deserve. And so yeah, here's the Unit 2 game that we'll be revamping. Let me show you how it plays. So basically, 3 buttons only, left, right arrow keys, and the space bar shoots the food. There is no leaderboard, there is no points. You just move left and right and shoot sandwiches at chickens. This is the game we will be revamping. There's also some assets here. We have a few foods. We have soda, dogs, bones, cookie, carrot, and whatnot. Pizza, even steak as well. And here we have some playable characters. I do not want them to be able to choose their character, so we'll pick the most gender-neutral one. We also have materials, prefabs for the chickens and sandwiches I used, and also we have animals. You have dogs, farm animals, which is chickens and cows, and a horse actually. We could add a horse. We also have forest animals, which probably owners won't own, so we won't be using the animals in the forest tag. But who knows? Who knows? So yeah, here's what we'll be working with. So first, we will try and open up my coding software. Probably, where's my coding software? Okay, let me get the course library out. Scripts. So we will do player controller. What I want to do with the player controller scripts is not have the yes, I trust the authors. That is quite a mess of I shouldn't have double clicked. Yikes. Okay, so here's coding. Let's have this in another tab. VTuber menu. We could put this in the comms. Sure, why not? Yeah. Hi. And we'll have the VTuber menu be where we code. Yes. Main panel will be the Unity interface. Here's the OBS. Actually, let's swap Studio with this. Yeah. No, wait. Other way. Okay, so here's stream. Here is our idea board. Here's Unity, and here is the coding. So yeah. So I'd like to think I am good at coding, so we will code. So it's been years. No, it's been 4 months since I last opened this project. So hopefully I remember this. So transform position. So this means if it's not in the limit, it will move. Transform position. Get down key. So this is shooting. Okay. This is shooting. Here's the input. So here's the parameters, so it won't go off screen. Here is the actual input. So yeah, vector right times horizontal input. What I want to do with this is be able to turn our rotation instead of just moving, because I kind of want like to, you know, like we're moving and shooting upwards. I want to change our where the character will face and shoot that way. Yeah, I want to aim instead of move. So we will remove the player's ability to move, but we will instead have them turn their bodies the same way. We'll also have the parameters so they don't face the other direction where the animals are not at. And that is our goal. We will do that now. Transform, translate. We're not translating, we're rotating. Rotation. Transform, rotation. Vector 3 right. That should be good. So let me control save. And hopefully that's good. Pretty simple. Ooh. Cannot be used as a method. Rotate. Should be rotate then. Transform, rotate. It's been a while since I coded. I'm rusty. Like, I suck at coding. If I'm rusty, then bad. What? Transform, rotate. Quite the intriguing predicament. So we'll use Google. I am scared to search on stream, so we will search on my other devices instead. So how to rotate a game object in Unity. Let's see. Transform.rotate. Simple enough. I did that. This is what it is. Transform.rotate. Let's check. Excuse me. Whoa. Transform.rotate can rotate objects. Okay. Is it a vector 2? Is it vector 2? Probably. Honestly, no one in this household knows how to close doors properly. How unfortunate. Rotate. When I say I am much a beginner, I mean that. Probably some of the club members are like bruhing right now, like bruh. So let's see what we can do here. Rotate. Okay. We will rotate. Not rotate. How to? I gotta phrase my question better. How to slowly rotate game objects in Unity. Humma, rotating. Okay, so we will do rotate. We don't need a vector, so we will do rotating speed times horizontal input times time delta time, and we will rotate it by, I don't know, we'll rotate the rotation. Let's make the player at this rotation, and we'll rotate it every so often. Let's put this in parentheses probably. Right, I'll need to make them floats. So wait, float, that's a float. That's a float. We'll have this capitalized as well. I don't know if that makes a difference. And float. Cannot do float. I'd like to float. Okay, let's stop making this a float then. Public int. What are you doing? Okay. Public int speed 10. Time delta time is a float, unfortunately, and horizontal input will have to be a float as well. I see. Can't multiply either way, so let's copy, Control Z, everything. To rotate a game object with input. This is the one. This is the best one. I'm creating a card game. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we will put back vector 3 because we will need to get the vector of the game object. So I have to go right again. And we'll have to have this again. But yeah, this should be fine. The forum says this is the correct one, but I tried this. Oh, I tried this, but it didn't work. What? What's this? Compile errors. What the heck? What do you mean? Compiler errors need to be fixed. But there's no errors here, and what's this? What do you mean? But there's no compiler errors. What would you mean? What do you mean? I could enter play mode, probably. Yeah, I could. What? Oh, how unfortunate. Okay, it appears we have succeeded in rotating our boy, but it we rotated in the other direction, not the left, right, horizontal direction. So we will change this. We'll do bottom or top. That should change it because excuse me. Up. Oh yeah, up. There you go. Vector up. Yeah, because there's no top. It's up down, not top bottom. So hopefully, yes. Whoa. Okay, we got it. We got it down, boys. Our player can now rotate, and we should probably fix this guy or whoever, whatever gender they assume to be. I think it's a guy character though, so whoop. There you go. But what? It appears I forgot to pan and rotate. So yeah, we should probably move them up a bit. So we will move them 18 up. No, wait. I need them to be closer. So yeah, that's good. So yeah, we have it down. All we have to do is probably go to the player, have the speed higher. Let's make it 50. And that's doubling our rotation speed, which we need to be pretty fast in the rotation because our game is a fast-paced arcade game. Let's make it 100. Let's make it 4 times as fast as the original. Yeah, that's good. A bit clunky, but yeah. Let's make it, actually let's make it 10 times as much speed as the original. Yep, that's the arcade feel right there. Yep, that's the arcade feel. But the problem here is the player does not the spawner is not with the player, so we will have to have the player have the spawner we'll have the spawner I'm lost in thought because I'm thinking. We'll have the spawner that instantiates the sandwiches be a child of the player, like right here. Hopefully that solves our problems and the spawner will rotate. Quite incorrect, it appears. No, we'll have to put it in the, yeah, right here. The spawner's right here. Oh wait, no, this is the spawner for the chickens, not the sandwiches. So okay, we will rock you. So let's have the player controller shoots applying flying pizza. Yeah, so it instantiates the projectile prefab into the air and it makes the sandwich go burr. But it appears we need to recode the projectile prefab because we need it to go forward in the direction the player is facing. Let's go to the prefabs. Here's the sandwich. If I apply it to the screen, it's massive. Wow. If we apply it to the screen and go play mode, it will move up. It'll fly off. Actually, that's good. Yeah. So playing the game. Let's go back to scene. If we go to prefabs and put the sandwich, it will move by itself. Like zoom. We do not want the sandwich to go a single direction. So we will go to assets, where we'll go to scripts, where we'll go to move forward, and we will change this very script. So basically it says transform translate vector forward times time delta time. This is the same code for the chickens and the sandwich, but different speeds. So we will need to change it so the chickens have the separate thing, which is move forward, and we'll have a separate thing for the sandwich as well. So we'll copy and paste this script, and hopefully it works. Let's put this code right here. Can I copy and paste the script? Copy, no I can't. So we will make our own script. We'll do create C# script. Let's make it bullet logic. That's a good name. I'll open up bullet logic. And we have it there. Yep. And then we will have to go to move forward and copy everything here, which is right here. We'll copy every single thing here, and we will go and expand on it. So we will now consult Google because whoa, move forward, Start. Huh? Right. Bullet logic does not like it being called. Okay, there you go. There you go. Fixed. We will now do bullet logic. To do bullet logic, we will need to have. My coffee is lukewarm now. This is horrible. But now we will have to have logic, so the bullet goes forward in the same direction the player is facing. So to do just that, we will need to probably test out if this theory of mine is correct. So my theory is we'll go to prefabs. We'll go to course prefabs, and we'll just sandwich, and we will rotate it 90 degrees, and let's see if it moves another way. Let's play it first. Okay. Ooh, it moves another way. So it's not that we need to change the code entirely, which saves us a lot of time, but we need to just rotate the sandwich and it will just move forward. That's wondrous. That's a wonderful idea. So we just need to have the spawner instantiate in a direction. And we will do that by having the player have a spawn point. So let's go to our player controller script. Here we have if input key down space, it will instantiate pizza from transform position. But we will also change the rotation when we change our it will change our direction. We'll change the direction where we're firing every time we change the direction as well. But we're already doing that by rotating the player. I don't see what we could do. So okay, let's go and play this game. Let's input left. Wait, no. Let's go again. Let's go here. Player rotation is null. It's 80 degrees, and we can make it 90 degrees if we'd like manually, but we will make it 80 degrees. And in the game, we will go rotate it a bit, and as you can see, the rotation changes. But if we oh, it's the sandwich is flying to the left. If we change it, the sandwich doesn't seem to change. We'll have to affect the prefab rotation every time we rotate the character. So we will have to go to its code here. It has multiple scripts. We have move forward. We will turn that off and we'll add bullet logic. A new script which is basically the same thing. And we will go to bullet logic. We will make, yeah, it's the same thing. We'll save, and we will make the speed 100 like always. But at the update, we'll also go to player control and just basically do this as well. We'll copy and paste this code. Don't mind that, it's just my mother coughing while in her sleep. And we will just see if this works. If not, we will consult the internet gods until we get it right. Because that is what coding is, consulting the internet gods until you figure out what is wrong. I kind of see why there's no coding live streams anymore, because one, you don't want to spoil your players, and two, kind of boring coding to do and also live stream. So let's see if this works. What? Whoa. Oh. I see. So, there's something very wrong with the code. It is not moving. It appears the sandwich is not moving. So, we'll try. We're Hamana. Our bullet logic is flawless. What could be? Okay, so let's Control S. Okay. I think I copy pasted the wrong code. That's why. Oh, no, it must be something wrong with the game object. Then let's go here. Out of bounds, bullet logic. Move forward is correct. Player bounds. We should have no player bounds here. Why do we need player bounds again? We shouldn't need player bounds. Yeah, we don't need player bounds. And we will need to have horizontal input. Yeah, this is the code that we accidentally copy pasted that we don't need, and this is the thing that makes it fly. This is what? No, that's Python. This is what makes it fly, and this is what changes rotation. Yeah, comments are amazing. This is what makes it rotate. Let's go to player control. Here is where it's gonna rotate, and rotate it shall. Horizontal input, we need that, and this should be able to rotate the prefab and make it good. Controls S, and we are compiling the script, and we will see after I drink some more coffee. Yeah, this mug is kind of bad. I have this Minecraft TNT mug that has a massive hole at the top that doesn't trap heat. It holds a lot of liquids though. The rotation doesn't seem to be applying. So why is that? Horizontal input. Speed. What? How come? Sandwich. Hama. What is not working? We are rotating the sandwich. No. Oh, we're rotating the sandwich, not the direction. Oh, I'm dummy. So we need to rotate the trajectory of the sandwich. So we will. So here's the sandwich flying off to the forward, but we need to change where forward is. We're not changing the rotation of the sandwich, we're rotating its direction. Okay. And this is gonna be quite the slow coding stream, and so we will need to have this. Okay, sorry for being muted. I had to do stuff. And we will need to rotate the trajectory. So, so we need to, oh, right here, forward. We need to try and change what forward is. So how about this? We'll have this be a variable. We'll have the variable be called direction, and we'll have it be a private variable, private var, actually we don't need to specify, public direction, and we will have direction be equals to this. Ta-da! Vector 3 does not contain a definition for. Sure you don't, but should be fine. Probably no. This is an error. We need this to be a vector 3, so I'll have it be a vector 3. But now it appears we don't know what we're doing. So we'll have this up. So transform, translate, up, and this will make the sandwich fly. But how do we change the direction it's flying? Because when we instantiate the sandwich, it flies to whatever direction it is facing. So here, let me press play. What? Okay, let's comment this out until it's done then. Control S. Let's play. We will have to you are a snake? Yeah, I saw what you said. It's fine. What you mean? I always check chat. So okay. Oh, this is quite horrible. Yeah, I see you, Asian. I see you, ordinary Asian. Welcome to the stream. It appears I am struggling to make a sandwich fly into the direction it's thrown. So here, we're in the scene, sandwich, plop, it goes up. But if we rotate it 90 degrees, it will fly other way. No, let's make this right. Vector up, we'll make it vector right. Because I am good at coding, I promise. And we'll instantiate it, and it's flying to the right. Wow! But if we change this to 80 degrees, it will change its direction. We will need to change the rotation of the sandwich to make it fly somewhere else. But the thing is, how would we do that? Yeah, also, uh, Jacob, Ordinary Asian. There is a massive stream delay. I am prioritizing quality instead of the actual latency because I have a bad computer. I'd rather have good graphics and voice than have the horrendous voice of Kingdom 2 Crowns Part 1 than have good latency, because there's just 2 people watching this stream, me, my alt, and you. So yeah. Dang, indeed. So we will need to rotate the prefab with our input. How would we be able to rotate the sandwich prefab with our input directly? How to rotate sandwich... No. How to rotate a prefab with input. Let's see. Let's take another swig. It's dangerous to drink coffee at 6 p.m. But we'll do it because we're streaming and I need energy. Oh my goodness, I just chugged that coffee. Especially because it's so lukewarm. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, that's quite delicious. Wow, coffee is amazing. This is delicious powdered coffee, not the strong coffee you guys are probably assuming I'm drinking. So yeah, easy to chug, it's lukewarm. I should have had a thermos that would make it hotter, you know, for longer. But apparently, we don't have that. Okay, we are looking at Stack Overflow because this is where the wizards reside. And we will need to transform the position every time we press a button. Hamana. It looks like we'll have to have a game object as a variable, which is gonna be our var, not var. We'll have a public, public prefab, no, game object, game object, public game object. It'll be called food projectile. Okay, so save. We'll go to sandwich, and we have a game object called food sandwich, and we will need to rotate this. We will need to rotate that. We will need to rotate the sandwich within the sandwich to throw sandwich good. So now we have the sandwich, and we will need to rotate the sandwich. Okay? Okay. So we will need to transform the sandwich. Let us... Okay. So... Okay. Let's actually go to player controls here. Maybe it's a problem with player controls. Oh yeah, because we can instantiate it with a Oh, I'm dumb. We can instantiate the projectile with a rotation in the player controller script. So we can just basically undo this when we figure out how to do that. So, okay, so instantiate projectile prefab, transform position, projectile prefab, rotate. Ooh, okay. Okay, so we need, this is our target right here. Transform that rotation. What if we change this part? This part. We will need to change this part. Let me just look at Stack Overflow for this. Yeah, we need to change the rotation. Times no. Transform rotation. Yeah. If this works first try, I'm ending stream of joy, out of joy. So, okay. We're rotating. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh, we got our sandwich shooter here. Oh my goodness. Whoa, shooting. Oh, okay. I probably shouldn't say shooting a lot because PG stream. But whoa. Yo, I'm McCree up in here. Let's go. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay. Whoa. Wow, that's cool. Okay, let's retry. But it's not it's not doing that in the right direction. But oh my goodness, that was so cool. What the actual? Oh my goodness, guys, and gals. Actually, it's just guy because my boy Jacob's the only one watching the stream. But yo, we got the sandwich to fire up. That was funny. We got our sandwich to fire. Rotation is there. Okay. Okay, it appears we are changing the wrong things. Okay. It appears okay, so okay, so we have a new problem. It should be an easy problem to fix, but yeah. We got it to fire like this. But okay, should be no problem to fix at all. Let's make it 90 degrees. Yeah. That should fix it. Not quite. There you go. That should fix it. Yeah. This is amazing. Yo. Yo, this is fun. We can end it right here. We can send this to student council, but now we will need to add more animals, and we will need to add a scoring system, and we will need to add food, different food. We will need to show what food is currently on hand. We will wait. Should we be able to switch what type of food is being thrown, or should it be random, like random ammo, like the player is holding sandwich, it'll fire that sandwich, and then it's now holding a steak and it'll fire that steak? Or should the player be able to control what they're shooting? I'm asking this to nobody because no one's watching the stream, but yeah, I'll need to ask that to my club. Wow. So this is good. This is good. This is good. Wow. Okay, let's go to our game jam and check off some things. So we repurposed the Unity Course Unit 2 game. We are able to make character and projectile fire in a direction. Pardon my bad spellings. We could use Grammarly next time if you'd like. But yeah, we'll have the game completable in actually, we can't cross that out yet. We'll have to have a timer here. We'll have to make a timer here. Check chat. Fire different ingredients that can be switched. Yes. So should the player be able to check, like should the player be able to change the ammo, the food, or should that be random? And how would we be able to have the player know what kind of ammo they have right now? Because the only way you see the sandwich is when you fire it. We will need to be able to randomize the ammo and show the ammo that's currently selected, which is gonna be hard, but I can do it. I am a coder after all. I'm a president of the Game Creation Club. I should be able to do this, just that. Then again, it took us an hour to get a projectile to move or fire in a direction. So yeah, so Jacob, should we be able to switch, let the player switch its projectiles, or should it be random? Making the player be able to switch their projectiles is easier and could be more fun. But yeah, actually, yeah, let's make the player be able to switch food. Make player be able to change ammo / food. Yeah. So we have a lot of things to do next stream. I'll move this to game concept. We'll have a scoreboard. Actually, no. We'll have a scoreboard. High scoreboard. This is high scoreboard. High scoreboard. And this is normal scoreboard where we track tallies. Okay, so my boys are spamming me in Discord. Let's check. Yeah, so let's do switching. Let's do switching. So yeah, be able to change ammo, completable. Oh, this is quite the list. That's fun. Okay, yeah. Ooh, these we won't be able to do during these 3 streams, but the other ones we should be able to do. Oh, okay. Yeah. Make the player change ammo, completable in 30 minutes. I'm kind of pooped out. Making the character fire in a direction is quite draining. I am so bad at coding. Like I stopped for 4 months and I just forget everything in the Unity course. Like practice really is the driver of all things. So every week we'll code so I don't get rusty, and so I can get feedback, and to also, like, you know, have content that's fun. Nah, kidding. This is not fun to watch, at least. But you guys, my viewers, will be able to play this. My club members will be having early access, of course, because they're cool. And you guys will be able to play this probably Monday, where I release a demonstration. Like, I'll demonstrate the game, and link in the description will have the game download. It won't be a virus, promise. And yeah, so scoreboard. deduct points. Let's do the scoreboard right now. Let's do it. So scoreboard, easy. So basically, we will go to the collision logic. So basically, on trigger, collide other, destroy game object, destroy game object, destroy other game logic. We'll also do score plus, wait, no. So we'll go to the variables. We'll do public int score, which will have 0. We'll have at 0, and we'll do score. We'll do score plus plus. We'll increase score every time this happens. You know? Is that not how it works? Excuse me? Hi? Is that how it should be? Yo, this isn't funny, yo. Yo, did I forget how to do variables? Public int. And then int score. Is it this how you add score? This is quite. Oh wait, no, this is okay. Okay. No, okay. Wait. Score equals score plus. Okay. We'll do it the loser's way. This is it. Yeah. Score equals. Actually, let's do it in update. Let's do it in update. Because it doesn't like that. Let's do this. Yeah. So every frame, score will be added. Because this is a void. It can't return stuff. Yeah, that's why it's not working, because this is a void. We can't have this happening on a void method. So private score. How about let's do that? Private score. Actually, no, it can't do that. So if because we need to track when a sandwich when an ammo hits an animal. So when the food hits an animal, you'll need to 1, detect that it hit it, 2, compare the food and the animal, and then give the appropriate amount of points. So it not only needs to know what type of ammo and what type of animal, it'll need to like do some big brain calculations and give it points depending if the animal and food match or like doesn't match. If it doesn't match, it'll just eat it and good stuff, but if it doesn't match, it will need to deduct points. Yeah, you remember when I said let's add the scoreboard, it'll be easy? I lied to myself, so we'll probably do this next stream. I'll do some research off camera and like show off my cool stuff, my cool awesome stuff on screen. So yeah, we managed to, yeah, so let's go to bullet logic, because this is useless. Bullet logic, I don't know what I was doing. Let's just go back to move forward. Let's get rid of this bullet logic thing. Remove component. Yeah, still works perfectly. Yeah, all we manage to do in this stream is have Sandwich fly another direction, which is not completely a waste of a stream, but could have been better, you know? Could have been better. We have so much to do in just 2 more streams. We need to impress student council with our epic coding skills, or else we'll lose our funding. I mean, what funding? We don't get funded. Honestly, actually, we don't get funded by the school. I wish though. If we get funded, we could get Unity Pro and have better coding software. But I mean, better coding software does not mean better coding. Like, I'm president, I should have the best coding skills here. I mean, I could have the best coding skills here in the school, but oh my goodness, my coding is horrendous. If this is the best school, if this is the best the school has, this school is doomed. Yeah, I have to be a better coder, better content creator, everything. And yeah, I really don't want to end the stream. What can we do? So scoreboard cannot do. Scoreboard ties into this. When player throws food, it needs to the game needs to determine if it's a match, and it will give points to a matching food and animal type, and it will deduct points for a bad animal to food type pairing. So this is a scoreboard right here. We'll do next stream. And get animal assets. I will do this off camera. So off camera stuff. Here is the off camera stuff we'll do. Off camera goals. Off camera goals. We will get assets for 5 animals and things they don't like. 3D models, of course. I could make it PNGs, but it will be horrible and the people playing will be cringing. And we'll need to be able to change the food. We'll do this on stream, but I'll be researching that off camera. So we'll copy paste this and put research as a parentheses. Research. Ammo change research. So we'll be researching that off camera. So the moment I open stream, we'll be starting work on that. We'll have this deleted because we'll do that on off camera. So we'll have the game completed in 3 minutes. More like add timer. So for 3 minutes. So the player only has 3 minutes or less actually to play the game, get a high score and whatnot. And we'll probably have an interface as well. Yeah. So we'll have a loading interface. And the way to start it is to press start plus check if coin slot is activated. If we are going to monetize this game. Oh no, I just realized if this is a fundraiser, this is the first game that I've made that will be monetized. That is kind of scary. This game that I made in a weekend is gonna get monetized. Kind of. It's for a fundraiser, so I won't get any of the cut. So, loading interface, and it'll move on once the press start key is activated and the coin slot is activated. Yeah, these are kind of connected because timer for the shooting scene, this is the scene where it shoots stuff, and we'll have a main menu screen that you need to add a coin and stuff. Change ammo, we'll research that. Scoreboard we will do next stream. Oh, this is optional. We'll try and do this next stream as well, but yeah. And after we do these two, we basically made a game. Wow. So yeah, simple game for an arcade game. And what else do we need? Maybe have this. Yeah, we'll need to do this first. We'll need to do this first before we can do the scoreboard. Yeah. So we'll need to do this first. Here we have number 1. We will need to do number 2 and number 3. And this will be number 10 because we will not be able to do this until we are either approved or disapproved, and we cannot participate in this event. It would be very sad if we are doing all this and get disapproved because no more open slots for booths for the clubs. Like, yeah, it'll be sad if we're doing this for nothing. Because I kind of sent the email late. I was like, saying, hey, we're interested. Yeah, I sent it this morning, even though they sent an email like last Friday. Some president I am. Oof. So yeah, here's that's the stream. Probably. Let's check how long we've been running for. Hold on. This bar is not showing me. Let's do this. How long have we been streaming OBS? Tell me. We've been streaming for half an hour. 1.5 hours and I'm already tired. No. Okay, we'll push on. We'll try we'll try and do these. Okay, so scoreboard. Okay, let's make the UI already. Okay, so we'll do Text Mesh Pro. Okay, no. So first we'll make an create empty. We'll have this be the UI. Yes. And we will have a UI. We'll have Text Mesh Pro here. So we'll have the oh yeah, okay. We don't need to do UI. We will need to just yeah, we don't need the UI. We don't need this empty object, so we'll delete this. Text Mesh Pro. So here's a canvas. Wait. Oh yes. Import essentials. I just realized we have to import this because it's been a while since. Yeah. And yeah. Import. Okay. It is quite importing. Okay. So let's view this Text Mesh Pro. So here's the UI. Oop. Here's the let's make it 2D. So here is the UI, the very awesome UI provided. I'll be providing on let's move. Yeah, here is the UI, Text Mesh Pro right here. This will be, oh, that's not it. This will be the scoreboard. So we will do it scoreboard. No, just score. Let's just do score, and the variable will be score. Quite hard to change the size. Hello, can I change the size? I'll just change it this way then. So let's have the score be 0 for now. And yeah, that's it. The position will be top left. That's the anchor point. So that's the score. What else do we would like to do? We would like it to change every time. So I did this before in another project. How would we change the score? I mean, we need to give it code, so we'll... How would we be able to give this a script? Add component, yeah, script. So we will do scoreboard, and we'll add the script name. Click and add, and we will be able to change it now. Where's this? There it is. Okay, scoreboard. Okay, so we'll do a public variable, public text mesh, public text mesh. How about no, is it public game object? Public game object, and this will be text scoreboard, score text, score text. Yeah, or should it make it be text mesh? Public text. No, it's game object. It's game object. So copy and save. We'll go and go to. We'll go here, and let me remove some of these to make it easier to read. There you go. Score text. We'll add it here, and now we have the text. We will here's the update. We will need to have the score be updating. So public score equals 0 for now. Public int score. An update will be if blank food. Okay, yeah, let's have food. We'll probably need to use switch cases as well. I don't want to be yandere def and just have a bunch of if statements. So we'll have good food. So we'll have a private variable. Actually, let's make it public. We'll need to use it for methods. So public list, public array, public list. Sure. Good food for dog. And we'll need to have some list. I don't know. How to make a list as a variable? Let's check. Let's check Google. How to make a list be a variable. No, how to declare lists. That's what I'm looking for. How to declare lists in Unity. So public string public string good food for dog. That's the name. Wow, so that's okay. So we'll have to have multiple of these. I don't know what I want. Should we have what kind of pets do we want? Let's do chickens. Chickens are good pets. I have chickens as pets and food. Filipino household needs some chicken or pet as food as well. You know, eat dog. Dog good. I'm kidding. Dog good for pet only. Maybe. I don't know. I ate dog once and I don't remember how it tastes like. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's quite cold here. My coffee is cold now. Wow. It's beyond hot now. It's just cold now. So let's have 5. What kind of animals do we want? Good food for let's go with cats. There should be some things cat can't eat. We'll also have like milk to throw at cats. Well, what else? Parrots. Parrot. We'll change these whenever we cannot do one. What else? What's a good pet that people have? Dog, cat, chicken, parrot. Hamster! Yes, hamsters. Actually, what kind of pets are in... What kind of animals are in here anyways? So we have dogs. We have chickens and horses. Oh, horses. I mean... I don't think Paws for Paws have horses. So let's not do that. I don't think they have chickens either, or parrots. So we have deer, foxes, moose. Yeah, I do not know what to feed, or what fifth animal should add. Or should we only have dogs and cats? How many animals should we have and what? Let's brainstorm this. What animals should be in the game? Hamsters. That's our 5, I guess. If you guys have any other ideas or like what should we switch out? But yeah, here we have dog, cat, chicken, parrot, and hamster. That's the 5 pets. We'll research what kind of things they can't eat and like to eat. And we'll plug it in right here. And hopefully we'll be able to give the player a score depending on what animal eats what. And I think we'll end the stream soon. Let's go to our board. Make the player be able to change food and ammo. We need to research the foods. We'll do that off camera. Here's our off camera stuff. What else? Scoreboard, we're doing that. We'll do this next stream. Add timer. What else do we need to add in the game? Timer to make it challenging, scoreboard, and the ability for the player to change food. And also the food array that we're doing right here in the scoreboard. What else? What else would a game that we're making need? Music, right. I'm so sorry, guys. Music and sound effects. Animation as well. Music, BGM. Sound effects. And as well as animation. Bad food pairs make animal fade to red. Good pair make animal fade to green. And we don't need to give an animation to the player because they're just turning, so yeah. Let's make this bigger. Let's make BGM smaller, sound effects smaller, and yeah, the animation is gonna be a doozy, but should be easy. Should be fine. Let's add the BGM here. Well, this is goals number 4. We'll probably do that if we get approved, because looking for music is kind of hard. As a streamer, I would know, but hopefully OBS is playing the background music. I got it from Kame, same person who made Crony's BGM. I'm using the music called When or Somewhere. I'm using the music Somewhere. That's the title. And Crony is using Somebody, which kind of cool. Crony's a great VTuber. Kind of want to be like that. Hololive, if Hollow Stars EN is hiring, I'm available. Yeah. Hollow Stars EN is the goal, but for now we will code and make content for the club, because my club is the reason I started VTubing again, or YouTubing again in general. And I want to be accountable. I want to, I really like peer pressure. It makes me accomplish things I need to accomplish. Like, if I'm streaming, and I promise I'll stream, I will stream. If I do coding streams, I will code. I stream to be accountable. And, well, to produce content that's cool, hopefully. So yeah, that's the stream. Hopefully a good number of people watched, and we will code next time. We'll be able to, we'll make ammo, we'll make food, and we'll make the player be able to choose the food. We'll have a scoreboard, food pairs that give and deduct points, and we'll have a timer. We'll have quality of life stuff, and that is the goals for next stream. Fingers crossed we'll be able to complete this all in one stream next stream tomorrow. Same time, 3 a.m. UTC. But for my club members, it is 5 p.m. Hawaiian Eastern Time. Not Hawaiian Eastern Time. Hawaiian Pacific Time. So Hawaiian Pacific Time, our local time, it will be 5 p.m. the usual. And for everyone else in the globe, we will be doing UTC 3 a.m. as the streaming time. Every day. I would say every day, but this series of streams will only happen tomorrow, 3 a.m. UTC, and Sunday, 3 a.m. UTC. Two more streams. I'm holding up my hands here, but I don't have hand trackers. So yeah, 2 more streams of this, tomorrow and the day after, 3 a.m. UTC. And we will try and accomplish these goals over here. If not, I'll send the final product to student council anyways, because a demonstration is a demonstration. It's not quite finished, but what else are you gonna do? It's a demonstration. We have 2 months to finish this if we do get approved, you know. So yeah, that's the stream, guys. Thank you for watching. To those 2 people, my 2 viewers who watched, and I'll be better at content creating and coding. Those are 2 hats I want to be good at in YouTube, because I want to make content that is fun, educational for my clubmates, and that should be enough promises that I can't fulfill. We should probably also have another Text Mesh Pro for the time. Time. We'll name this before we go. Score, text. And over here we'll have time text. Da, 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 da. Time 3 minutes. Oh, whoop! Whoa! What was that? Okay, let's make this be anchored to the top right. We'll also have it transform, not transform, like make it like this. Yeah, that's good. Let's give it some more leeway as well, like that. Score, time, game. Let's see if it works. Of course it does. Okay, yep. So we have shooting done. The spawner is done. And we will just need to add a working timer, a working scoreboard, which is gonna be a doozy. And listen to animals and food that we can pair so we can have a decent scoreboard. Yeah, we have the clear steps to make this game. We just need to take it for next stream and the next stream afterwards. Once again, it is 3 a.m. UTC for tomorrow and the day after. And see you guys then. Thank you for watching once again. Subscribe if you like content like this, and you'll be notified for the upcoming streams. And like if you like this, which the amount of likes will indicate how many people have bad taste in YouTubers. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been Spark, your club president. Goodbye. Bye. Until next time, I'll do my research. I'll get warmer coffee, and yeah, bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Now that I said goodbye to the 3 viewers, let us end the stream. Okay. Bye.